Welcome back to the Autoland channel that takes you beyond the ordinary and deep into the world of extraordinary machines, luxury vehicles, and next-level living on wheels. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest videos. Today, we're diving into a jaw-dropping innovation in the world of mobile living at the most expensive housing camper of 2026. This isn't your average RV, this is a rolling smart mansion that redefines what it means to live life on the move. Introducing the 2026 Volkner Mobile Performance S Ultra, a name that stands for elegance, power, and a price tag that'll leave your jaw on the floor. Starting at around $4.5 million, this isn't just a camper, it's a complete luxury residence that moves wherever you do. On the outside, it looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Aerodynamic, sleek, and designed with premium materials from bumper to bumper. But it's once you step inside that the magic really begins. The interior rivals and even surpasses most high-end apartments. Think Italian leather seats, heated wooden floors, custom mood lighting, and a living space so open and refined that you forget you're in a vehicle. Every single piece of furniture is handcrafted, and the materials used are on par with private jets and million-dollar yachts. It features a full-size kitchen with premium appliances, a high-end espresso bar, and smart storage designed for long-term living. The master bedroom includes a king-sized bed with adaptive climate control, blackout smart glass windows, and a built-in entertainment wall. The spa-like bathroom has a rainfall shower, heated mirrors, and even a washer-dryer setup. But the real kicker, the built-in garage underneath the vehicle. Yes, it comes with an onboard parking space for your luxury sports car. At the press of a button, a hidden hydraulic platform reveals a space that can house a Porsche, Ferrari, or even a Tesla Roadster. Tech-wise, the Performance S Ultra is fully equipped with a smart home system. Everything from lighting to temperature, security cameras, satellite internet, and even the entertainment systems can be controlled by voice or smartphone. And yes, it's also solar-powered, with an integrated energy system that helps you stay off-grid longer. This camper is for those who want to take luxury living wherever they go, without compromising style, comfort, or convenience. Whether you're parked on a cliff overlooking the ocean or deep in the mountains, this home on wheels makes sure you never miss the comforts of a premium lifestyle. So, would you live full-time in a camper like this? If money wasn't an issue, drop your answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this look into the world of ultra-luxury housing campers, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep dreaming big and riding in style.